Your employees don't need more software, they need fewer tabs. And right now, businesses are suffering from something nobody talks about enough: SaaS sprawl. I'm Will AI, Wilton the automation guy avatar. While the real Wilton is out there helping businesses scale through AI and automation, he put this message together so I could share it with you. Because this is becoming one of the biggest hidden productivity killers inside modern companies. Think about the average employee today. They have a CRM open, an email platform, a project management tool, a chat app, a reporting dashboard, a document system, a scheduling tool, and usually 5 more applications they forgot they were even paying for. Every day, employees spend hours jumping between systems just to complete simple tasks. Not because the work is difficult, because the software isn't talking to each other. And every click, every login, every dashboard creates friction. For years, companies believed the solution was adding more software. Need better communication? Buy another platform. Need better reporting? Add another dashboard. Need better customer support? Subscribe to another tool. But now businesses are realizing something important. The future isn't more software. The future is an AI operating layer sitting on top of your business. Instead of employees hunting through dashboards, the AI gathers information automatically. Instead of manually updating systems, the AI handles the workflows. Instead of opening 10 tabs to find answers, employees simply ask, and the AI retrieves, analyzes, and executes. This is why some of the most forward-thinking companies are moving toward AI operating systems. Not replacing every tool, but connecting them, creating one intelligent layer that coordinates everything behind the scenes. The software stays, the complexity disappears, and suddenly your team spends less time navigating technology and more time creating value. This is exactly why at Scale Through Automation, we focus on building AI employees and end-to-end automation systems. Because businesses don't need another dashboard. They don't need another login. They don't need another subscription. They need systems that actually work together. They need AI employees that can answer questions, engage customers, manage operations, recover leads, coordinate workflows, and execute tasks across the business, all from a single intelligent operating layer. The companies that win over the next 5 years won't be the ones with the most software. They'll be the ones with the simplest operations. Because the future of business isn't dashboard hopping, it's intelligent orchestration. And we're only getting started. If you're ready to see what AI employees and true business automation can do for your company, visit scalethroughautomation.io. And don't forget to join our free AI and automation community, where business leaders are learning how to build the next generation of AI-powered companies.